Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the SHAPERLUV Tank for men. So if you don't know what this is, we have it here open up on Amazon. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a tank top or that fits to your skin. So you basically wear this beneath your clothes. So for example, you're wearing a t-shirt and then you actually wear this beneath your t-shirt so that your body will be tapered, or that your waist will be shrunken and your stomach will be shrunken also, so that you will have a more better shape. So if you're wondering if this is any good or not, they are actually rated 3.5 out of 5 stars with 45 ratings here on Amazon. So let's read some reviews. So best, do not match the description. Good fit, tank top, 4 stars. Meh, they're okay but do not do what is said. It's a compression shirt, not a shaper shirt, so that's a bit of a disappointment. Never felt more confident than I do in this shirt. Shaper shirts, sent the wrong size, not pleased. Fatter than I thought. So that's basically it. So this product is a bit of a hit or miss, especially the person saying that this is a compression shirt, not a shaper shirt. So if you actually order the wrong size, this will not actually work properly. And considering it's online, it's actually hard to gauge what size you are based on their sizes. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.